Welcome to this tutorial on hash functions. Today we'll explore one of the most important concepts in computer security and data integrity, hash functions, which provide one-way encryption and checksums. A hash function is a mathematical algorithm that converts input data of any size into a fixed-size string of characters called a hash value or digest. Think of it like a fingerprint for your data. No matter how large or small your input is, whether it's a single word or an entire book, the hash function will always produce an output of the same fixed length. Let's look at a simple example. If we take the input, hello world, and pass it through the sh-256 hash algorithm, it produces this specific 64-character hexadecimal string. This hash value is unique to this exact input. Even a tiny change in the input will produce a completely different hash. Hash functions have 4 key properties that make them useful. First, they are deterministic, meaning the same input will always produce the same hash output. Second, they produce a fixed output size regardless of input length. Third, they are one-way functions, which means you cannot reverse engineer the original input from the hash value. And fourth, they exhibit the avalanche effect, where even a small change in input drastically alters the entire hash output. Here's a demonstration of the avalanche effect. Look at these 2 inputs. The first is hello world, and the second is hello world, with just the last letter changed from lowercase to uppercase d. Notice how the hash values are completely different. This tiny 1-character change has produced an entirely different hash output. This property makes hash functions excellent for detecting even the smallest modifications to data. Hash functions have many practical applications. They're used for password storage, where systems store password hashes instead of plain text passwords for security. They verify data integrity by checking if files have been tampered with during transmission or storage. They enable digital signatures to authenticate documents and messages, and they provide checksums to detect errors in data transmission. There are several popular hash algorithms in use today. MD5 produces a 128-bit hash, SH-1 produces a 160-bit hash, and SH-256 produces a 256-bit hash. It's important to note that SH-256 is currently recommended for cryptographic applications, while MD5 and SH-1 are considered weak and should not be used for security purposes anymore. Let's recap the key takeaways. Hash functions create fixed-size fingerprints of data, allowing us to uniquely identify and verify information. They are one-way functions and cannot be reversed, making them perfect for security applications. And they're widely used for security, integrity verification, and checksums in modern computing systems. Understanding hash functions is essential for anyone working with data security and integrity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.